pattern, if you don't know, is going to be the vertex at 0, negative 25. Okay? Again, I know that if I just put the 0 in. But the key idea is, you have a rough idea what a quadratic looks like. Okay? And know that the left and right extremes will go up when it's a positive x squared. Okay? If you don't understand what I'm talking about, you may want to watch my previous video on that. Okay? But again, maybe we'll discuss it here in a moment as well. As a matter of fact, it wouldn't help to or hurt to discuss it right now, right? So let me skip ahead here, or skip back. And I thought I had the pictures in here, but I don't. Doggone it. So anyways, let me pause the video myself, and I want to add something to this video. Okay guys, hopefully I didn't screw up my video. I guess only time will tell. But what I want to do is something that I think is very important. Okay? What I did was I went on Desmos and did a few little simple simulations here. Now notice over here I have all even functions, right? See how all the powers are even? And I want you to look over here and notice the red is a typical parabola, right? That's the x squared that I had graphed there, right? But again, I just want to show you without just telling you that notice the second function in blue right here. Look at the graph. Doesn't it look similar to a parabola, except it's a little more square at the bottom near the vertex, right? Well, in other words, any even function will have that same shape. And in other words, the only thing with any even function you have to try to understand is that's what we mean by the left and the right sides of it always going up on a positive even function. Okay? On the contrary, notice what happens when they're negative. We have exactly the same curves, except now they're upside down. See how they're going down? But with a negative even function, the left and right sides will always go down. Okay, and hopefully you understand that. Now what about an odd function? Notice here, guys, I have odd functions, right? I have an x to the 3, x to the 5, x to the 7. If you look over there, they all make that same kind of snaky looking shape, don't they? See what will stand out more. Alright, but as you can see, they all have a similar shape. The higher the power, the more kind of square it gets near the center inflection point, as we like to call it, okay? But all odd functions have that same snaky or wavy shape. Whereas, if, notice this one, they're negative odd functions, they'll have the same shape, they'll just go the other way. So you basically, if you understand that, guys, then it's going to make your graphing a lot easier to understand. Okay? Now, this video is getting a little long, but I do want to do just one more problem real quick here, if you don't mind. This one right here, I know I can recognize as a special product. The 4x squared is 2x, right, squared. The 1 is a 1 squared. Because there's a minus 4x, isn't that really negative 2x doubled? You see? So this right here, guys, using the pattern of the special product that I showed you right here on the bottom of the screen, is my factored form. So again, using the 0 property, I know 2x minus 1 equals 0 somehow. And therefore I know 2x equals 1 when I add 1 to both sides. X therefore is 1/2 plus or minus, or sorry, it's actually a double root, isn't it? There's no plus or minus, it's a positive 1/2. So what's cool about this one, guys, is I'm just going to go to positive 1/2, somewhere about right there between the 0 and 1 in the middle is positive 1/2. Does everybody agree it makes a 0? But this, because of the square, it's really a double root, okay? A double root means the vertex. Let me write that a little bit neater there. Kind of rushing here a little bit. And a double root means that's where the vertex is, okay, guys? And because it's a positive 4x squared, I know it's going to go up on the left and right side like any positive even function is going to do, okay? Remember what I showed you right here? Any positive even function, they always go up on the right and left side, right? All right? And so that's a rough sketch of what that function is going to look like. So guys, I think I may have to stop it there. It's getting a little long. So I hope this video helps you. Okay? And if I have time tomorrow, I'll make another video on this. But until then, bye.